In the video today, I'm going over what to do if your Pixel 10a freezes or the touchscreen is not responding properly. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we're going to hold down on the power and volume down button and we're going to trigger something called a soft reset. Now this will help if your software is glitching or your phone is acting really weird. This will basically shut the phone down and turn it back on again with a button combination. We're going to hold down on that power button and the volume down button until the phone shuts down. Alright? Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold. Now it will trigger a screenshot. Continue to hold the buttons. Sometimes this can take anywhere from 10 seconds up to 30 seconds. What it's going to do is it's going to send a command to the processor and it's going to tell it shut down the phone and restart it. Now this is a really helpful tool to use, especially if you notice your touchscreen is just not working properly. Like you might press one button and something else happens. This will mimic the process of like taking the battery out of the phone. There we go. That took about 30 seconds. Notice your screen is totally off. And now I'm going to hold the power button to turn it back on. And there you go, guys. The phone just shut down. And then after a few seconds, it should turn right back on. Now, this will, again, mimic the process of taking the battery out of the phone and putting it back in. Obviously the phone is sealed, so you can't take the battery out, so that button combination will allow you to mimic that process. It'll shut the phone down, turn it back on, and usually if you're having some type of a software glitch or an issue, this will solve it. Now, things it will not solve for, if your phone is having issues with the screen, maybe you've cracked or chipped the screen. If that has happened and now you're having issues with the touchscreen, then this will not fix that. It will specifically fix issues that have to do with the touchscreen and the software. All right. If this doesn't work, take your phone down to your local cell phone repair shop, have them diagnose your screen to see if you need a screen replacement. Also, I want to show you guys a super cool case for this phone. This is a case from a company called Ringke, and super nice textured back case. Gives the phone some nice depth and color, and it has a really nice grip that runs along the edge of the phone as well. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll drop this down below in the description, a link for this and a few of the other really cool cases from Ringke. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.